Today a customer brought her 2012 Chevy Camaro to us to repair some door dings she's acquired from various parking lots. Too often we arrive back to our vehicle from the grocery store and find someone has opened up their door right into the side of ours. As in this case, the middle edge of the door, also called a body line, takes the hit. Shown here we have some of the driver's side door dings circled, and looks like Matt has already gotten started on the passenger side. Now what's happening here is Matt's able to massage the dent out with numerous tiny pushes using a special tool. He's able to push the dent up as well as repair the body line from underneath with this very tedious process. Afterwards, he will finish each dent with a knockdown from the outside to blend the metal and make sure it's free of waves and imperfections. And here we have a dent-free 45th anniversary edition Camaro. With the addition of our new shop, we were able to pull the car inside and out of inclement weather to perform this repair. Even after driving over an hour and a half to come see us, Annette was kind enough to leave us a video review.
Outstanding. Matt did an incredible job in record time. I brought some tasks to do while I was sitting here thinking it would take a few hours, and I didn't even get one task completed. I'm very pleased and highly recommend Matt and Easy Dent. Outstanding company.